Should Christians celebrate Halloween? That's the topic for now. As a Christian entrepreneur and business owner, what say you? Do you celebrate Halloween, or should Christians be celebrating or participating in Halloween? So here we see this article where Halloween is a trick of the devil, warns a Satanist turned Christian. This man was married on Halloween in a demonic service. His 11-year-old daughter was baptized into the dark side, and he practiced witchcraft in trying to actually recruit people for the kingdom of darkness. See, when you have to realize that Halloween promotes evil practices and fear. So should Christians be associated with evil practices and fear? Forget the trick or treat, forget the candy, forget all of that. Notice what is the root cause or the root thing behind what's going on with this Halloween. Should Christians be a part of this? And I put myself right next to this pumpkin. Should this how it look? Will a Christian actually celebrating Halloween? Does darkness and light mix? Tell me your thoughts on this. Okay, but right before I go and end this video, I want you to think about this. Do witches, Satanists come to church on Good Friday to celebrate Christ? Think about that. What do you say?